The law of unity posits that all things are interconnected and part of a greater whole. It symbolizes unity, oneness, and the origin of all things. Where there is being, there is unity. There's a hierarchy of intensity levels of being, with each entity participating in unity according to its nature and level. Unity is seen as a positive, affirming principle. The law of unity is characterized as indivisum in se et divisum ab alio, undivided in itself and divided from everything else. This concept has influenced various philosophical and spiritual traditions, often forming the basis for holistic or monistic worldviews. Some modern interpretations draw parallels between this ancient concept and scientific ideas about the interconnectedness of the universe. The concept is traced back to Pythagorean philosophy, where it was considered part of the sacred tetrad, or tetractys, a set of 10 fundamental laws. The law of unity essentially proposes that at the most fundamental level, all of existence is interconnected and part of a greater whole, with each individual entity being a unique expression of this underlying unity.